It was a rainy day on the island of Sodor, and BoCo was in a cheerful mood until he spotted Nelson carrying Buster the steamroller.
It was horrifying, he told the others. Why? Duck asked. Didn't you hear what the narrator said? Yes, he said. Wait, you mean ew? What's worse is that there's a ghost inside of one of my coaches. Don't be such a scaredy cat, Nelson said. It will go away eventually. All right. Just make sure it will go to your wheels from now on. No promises.
The next day, BoCo was taking some passengers to kill Dane. It was still raining. He said. Rain won't spoil my day. But he spoke too soon. There was a mudslide on the rails. BoCo applied his brakes, but the rails are too wet. Then BoCo went straight into the mudslide. Oh great, now I'm gonna have to wait for help, he muttered. Just then Nelson arrived.
Hello, doinkies. Nelson's here. Don't ever say that again. Alright, fine. I'll take the coaches away first. And then I'll come and get you out of the mud. Don't go anywhere. I won't.
Oh, ha ha, I thought you'd forgotten me. What were you doing?
I was having fun with Twilight Sparkle.
What?